Hello everyone, my name is Alif and I'd like to welcome you all to Data with Alif channel where you will learn the data analysis from the beginning, from the scratch. If you are a beginner, if you are a learner, if you are a student, if you are a service holder, data you should learn in 2026 properly. If you do not learn data analysis, you will be like you will stay behind. So what we are going to do in this lecture, today's lecture, we are going to use the completely a new function of ms excel, this is, which is xlookup function. So what is XLOOKUP function? The XLOOKUP function will replace your previous Vlookup and Hlookup function, and you don't even need to use the if error function. How you will do that? I will show you step by step. So we are going to find out the Abdul Karim Hussain's total sales from this row and this row we have to match. So we are going to call the XLOOKUP function, and we are going to call Abdul Karim Hussain, and we are going to select the lookup array. The lookup array is the array where the information has been loaded done, and the return array, what we are going to find out is the total sales. And so the total sales array we are going to call, and we are going to close the bracket so that we may find out the Abdul Karim Hussein's sales. Total sales is 1306, and if we want to change the like Rafiul Hassan, it will give us the same the result of his sales, and the if we are going to find out the Farhana Yasmin Akhtar sales, it gives us an error which is showing me like if we select it, if this is giving us the value not available error. So what we are going to omit this, and we are going to select the xlookup function. We are going to put a comma if not found. This is the function what we used previously in the hlookup and vlookup. If error, but we need to put this and this. So this in this section we are going to put the not found, so that it will not give us this type of errors. Okay, so we are going to find out the exact match, and we are going to search from first to last. Okay, so first to last we are going to put 1, and the result is over here. If we put enter, okay, it gives us the not found information. Okay, so what we are going to do in the next phase, we are going to find out the January, February, March information about the not Farhan Akhtar. Like we are going to select the Sabir Ahmed Talukdar. We are going to call the xlookup function, and we are going to select this one, okay, and here we are going to find out the lookup array. What is the lookup array? Lookup array is the employee name where we are going to put a comma, and we are going to select call the xlookup function again, so that we may call the month of March, and we are going to select the array here like January, February, March, April, and total value, and we need to call the return array. So return array is over here. We are going to select the whole cells available in this area, and we are going to put the if not found. We have to select in a inverted comma, and we need to find out the exact match. Over here we need to put the comma, and we are going to find out from last to first. Okay, so enter, and this is giving us the 290 49 information. Now What if we need to find out from last to first, and we need to find we need to put a minus, and we have to put enter. So the result is different. Okay, it will select from last to first. Okay, if you put minus, if you put plus, it will give you the first to last result. Okay, the information is here, so you can easily go through it, and you can learn it. So the VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP is already dead, so you don't need to find out if error, blah blah blah. So you don't need to put that, just put an NA and 0 1. Okay, so if we find out, we need to find out February sales, and we can easily find out. If we need to find out the January sales, and you can easily find it here. So once you change the information, this gives you not found and not applicable function. Okay, so the Nusrat Jahan Rahman, this is how you have to work with it, the XLOOKUP function. Thank you. If you like my channel, do not forget